Hello kids! It's me, the Orb Seeker. How are you? Today, we are going to read Have You Seen Elephant by David Barrow. Would you like to play hide and seek? Okay, you hide. I must warn you though, I'm very good. I'll try my best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Coming, ready or not. Where could he be? Not under here. Dad, have you seen elephant? What elephant? Maybe I'll try outside. I can't find elephant. Never mind, dear. I give up. Ha ha ha! There you are! Hey, what are you playing? Hide and seek. Would you like to play tag? Okay. I must warn you though. I am very good. The end. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to read with us again, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next episode.